My name's Mark Anderson, I'm the owner, managing director of this company. Today, I want to show you the power of the global passenger network. Our network now has over 50,000 coaches in 5 continents right across the world, and we are doing some amazing things. And this is what I want to show you, the synergies of GPN today. Firstly, Scania. Here is a Scania coach we've recently purchased from Scania UK, and they are a major partner and a valuable partner within GPN. Here we have not the TARDIS, but a brand new Fortal GPN partner lift. Our partners are so important to the success of the global passenger network. Today, we have some guys working on the roof of the coach. We're using our friends from Green Energy to install some trial solar panels, and we really feel that there are significant savings to be made, both in battery life, in alternators, in the whole gambit of the electrical sides of our vehicles. So here you have GPN in action. We have a Scania coach, a Fortal platform, and Green Energy fitting solar units to the roofs of our vehicles. You can see, if you are in any doubt about the success of the GPN and what you might want to do in the future, about if you're unsure about joining us, just look at this and you see the synergies and the benefits of membership as either a coach operator or a partner. Thank you.